Today this mosque can accommodate more than 2 million pilgrims at the same time. This is the Kaaba, a cube-shaped stone structure which is the shrine of all Muslims. It is a universal symbol of unity among all Muslims to Allah, the one and only God. During the early years of Islam, the Kaaba had a plain cover called kiswa, made of chosen silk without any calligraphic elements. During the reign of Muawiyah in the year 661 AD, the Kaaba was given 2 kiswa each year. In the year 775 AD, during the rule of Al-Mahdi of the Abbasid dynasty, a new practice was introduced, whereby the old kiswa would first be taken off and put aside. Only then the new cover would be placed over the Kaaba. Prior to that, the new kiswa was simply put over the old one. Changes were also seen during the reign of Al-Mu'iz of the Fatimid era. Al-Mu'iz took the initiative to build a special kiswa factory, which was to come out with superior kiswa adorned with verses from the Holy Quran. And the practice continues till today. Today the kiswa is produced under direct supervision of the Saudi king at a factory at Jud near Mecca. It takes about 8 months to produce a kiswa. Part of the work is to hand stitch selected verses of the Quran onto the fabric using special thread. The work is difficult and time-consuming. As such, it requires absolute patience and concentration. The materials have been carefully formulated to withstand extreme Arabian climates for at least a year. The cost of producing a kiswa is about 17 million Saudi riyal. The honor to produce the Kaaba cover or kiswa is given to 50 skilled individuals who work on a full-time basis. The main fabric of the kiswa is produced Changes to the appearance of the Kaaba are made in line with the changing faces of the Masjid al-Haram. This is the Grand Mosque of Mecca in the new millennium. It now covers a total area of 356,000 square meters, as compared to 160,000 square meters in 1976. The Masjid al-Haram can now accommodate more than 2 million pilgrims at the same time. This is a typical view during the Hajj season when pilgrims converge to the mosque to perform the Friday prayer. At this time, the mosque is full, including the top level. The area of the mosque was 30,000 square meters before the extension works were carried out by the Saudi government. In 1962, the area was extended to become 160,068 square meters, including the area to perform the Sa'i. And today, the Masjid al-Haram has a total space of 356,000 square meters. The mosque stands majestically at the center of Mecca. Its unique appearance is the pride of all Muslims around the world. The rare beauty of the Masjid al-Haram is more outstanding at night. It has 9 minarets, each measuring 89 meters high. To a Muslim, setting foot in this mosque is one of the greatest achievements in his or her religion.